Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to create activity chart on SentryPC. So first, in your dashboard, go to Activity Charts and Create Chart is in here, but first we need to select the chart type. So for example, the alerts. And the device. You can select all devices, but you can also only computer, only Android, only Chrome, Mac, Windows, or the specific devices. Like I have here for family PC, iMac, Pixel 4 or laptop. So let's say all devices and create chart. Here you can see all the total and percentage on every day. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.